Scene 1, Episode 1. Hi, my name is Ed. Hi, so you're curious about START Munich, want to apply but don't know how? My name is Anna and today I'm going to walk you through our application process, give you some tips and tricks as to how to stand out compared to other candidates and let you in on some of our behind-the-scenes secrets, so if you're curious, keep on watching. Are you eligible to apply? Well, if you're a student based in Munich, doesn't matter what or where you study, at university or Hochschule or bachelor's or master's, we are open to all of you. You don't have to have business background or have founded something. We're looking for people with an entrepreneurial mindset and spark. It's something that you can obtain through some life experiences, jobs, side hustles, hobbies that you have. For example, one of our STARTies did boxing professionally, and then during Start Sprint, him and his team found a solution to help people, to teach them how to do boxing in real time with video feedback. So you never know what kind of skills might come in handy. And a message that I have for you that is very important is that you don't have to be perfect. We don't need you to have 20 internships, 10 certificates. Just try to be you, try to show us your true colors and don't overthink it. Let's say it's application time. What do you do? How do you actually apply? You go to our website, startmunich.de, and there you'll find a form that you have to fill out. And an important thing about this form is to write about your own experiences and not try to write things that we want to hear. I have a couple of examples as to what not to do. For example, don't write that you want to meet like-minded individuals or that you want to join START Munich to be part of the community. So any hobbies that you might have, some side hustles, really go in depth as what you did, why you did it. We want to get to know your personality. Those answers is the only thing that we have about you. So try to be as specific as possible. So let's say you made it through written application and you're invited to the interview. Well, there is a little caveat before that, and it's the challenge that you have to prepare. I cannot tell you what is going to be this semester because it always changes up a bit. But the idea behind it is to show your creativity and entrepreneurial mindset. You will have a couple of days to prepare a presentation, a poster, a video. You can choose the format yourself. And bonus points from our president if you do bring a prototype. It's really up to you how you want to present it, but it's always good to have some kind of media material so that we can follow you better. So you diligently prepared your challenge and now it's interview time. What to expect? Well, there'll be two STARTies that will ask you a bunch of questions about START Munich motivation, your entrepreneurial mindset, what kind of skills do you have, what kind of projects you've done so far. And it's important to note that you will be matched to people that have expertise in your background. So if you have technical background, you may expect technical questions. If you have economical background, then some business-related questions and so on. And one advice I would like to give is to try as much as possible to relax and don't force any answers. Don't think of what we want to hear, but rather try to tell your story. It's normal, it's a stressful situation, so you don't have to be perfect, we don't expect you to, but we want to really get to know you as the person. That's the whole point of making these interviews, so don't overthink it, just do it. So now that interviews are over, what's next? Expect to hear from us in a couple of days. If you made it, you'll be invited to the onboarding day where you can meet all of your fellow STARTies from your batch. And if you didn't make it, it's not the time to get discouraged. Some of our most active members applied more than once, and we even provide you with some feedback so you know which areas to improve next time. Looking forward to your applications.